Welcome to the configuration series of the Fonera router. In our last few videos, we focused on getting our modem connected to our router, and the next step was to connect to MyPlace. And so we're going to carry on from where we left off. And I have my setup. In my setup, I'm already connected to MyPlace, and so my internet is working. Everything's working out fine. So what do I do from here? What if I really want to get into the nitty-gritty details of really customizing my phone according to what I need done? So this is the first step. You definitely want to be able to access the dashboard, and to be able to do that, let's go ahead and type out http://fonera right there, and this green page should reappear. And in our last video, we set the password for the dashboard to be admin. You can view that to see how we configured admin to be our password. Just look at the last few videos that we've done, and on the screen on the bottom left is you'll notice the firmware version, the internet connection, and right now we have an IP address from my ISP provider, and it also states the signal name MyPlace and the encryption type WPA and the IP address that's been given to us from DHCP. So what I want to do here is, if you remember, we had a password from the side of the Fonera that was really it was confusing. It had a lot of characters. So the first thing I like to do is change that to something that's really easy for me to remember. So you do that from dashboard, go into settings, and then into wireless, and out here you'll see the signal's name, which is MyPlace, the authentication type, which is WPA. So you can change the authentication type, and what the authentication type is, basically it is a different encryption system that the router authenticates machines through. So one of the basic ones is WEP, and so if you have a lot of older machines that are going to be accessing your Wi-Fi, you definitely want to set it to WEP. If all of the machines in your network are new, take advantage of the more secure ones such as WPA2. And if by any chance you do not want to have any authentication, you can set this to open, and then MyPlace by default will be accessible by everybody. There will not be a password that will be necessary to secure that signal. So it's as simple as that. So right here at the WPA passphrase is our password, and this passphrase is exactly the same as the passphrase written on the side of your router. So because this is really confusing, I like to change this. So I'm going to change this to my passphrase of choice, which is FON, F-O-N, rocks, R-O-C-K-S. So I'll go ahead and do that, and scroll all the way down and hit save. And as soon as that's done, you'll notice that our network will have to restart. There you go, it disconnected. Phone has rebooted. And of course, the previous password, which was saved by Windows, isn't going to work anymore. So what you want to do here is open up your Wi-Fi again. Let's go to view available wireless networks. I want to go to MyPlace, hit connect one more time, and put in rocks. If you remember, this is the password, my new passphrase that I set in the dashboard, this green screen right here. And it worked. So I'm back into my place, and of course the internet is working fine again. There you go. And the dashboard is also accessible. There you go. So that's the first thing I like to do. I like to change my passphrase, and you can do that too really easily. Thank you.